Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to link FxPro account to MT4. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to launch your FxPro application. Now over here, when you log in into your account, you are going to see your demo account and the real accounts. So you need to create a demo account by selecting the platform as MT4. Then you just have to simply press continue. Now when you create your basically demo account over here, you just have to tap on it, and here when you go to the settings, you are going to see all of the information like the login ID, the server, and the password over here. So you need to get these details from here. Then you need to simply launch your MT4 application. Now over here in the search bar, you just have to simply search for the exact server which is available inside your FxPro application. So here when you search for it, you are going to find it over here. That can look something like this. Now over here, simply provide your login ID and your password which are available inside your FxPro account, and then tap on the option of login in order to basically link your FxPro account to MT4. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.